So everyone, good morning. As I said before I started recording that this week is the last week in semester two. So this week I'm not going to give you a new lecture. I will work with you in details on the comprehension lesson that I gave to you on week 25, a reluctant to traveler. We're going to work in details on the vocabulary and the comprehension questions, and then on the comprehension skill summarization. So we're going to divide the lecture into three parts. First, the vocabulary, then we solve the vocabulary question on the worksheet. We move to the reading lesson. We read it, we discuss it together in details more than the last time. Then we move to the questions. And at the end, we will move to the comprehension skill. Okay, guys? Mm. So we're not going
Okay, miss.
since phonics. Yes, Ali Khini, just a second, let me unmute you. Yes, Ali, what do you want to say, Ali Khini?
Miss,
Yes.
do you know how much did I get in the quiz?
I didn't memorize the grades, but they are on the application. I uploaded them yesterday. Okay. So you can check them on the application, dear. If you want to check any grade, they are all on the application. If you don't find them on the online quizzes, you find them in the grades, okay? Because some grades are not added as quizzes. You didn't do them on Google Form. You did them on Flipgrid and like listening, reading, and the poem. All of these you did them on Flipgrid, for example. So I cannot add them as quizzes on the schedule. So you have to go to grades on the application, as you used to do last year. Okay, are you ready? So I'm not going to do phonics this week. We're not going to have a phonics lesson. And as you remember, we did the plurals last time. Later on during this week, we're going to continue with the exercises about singular and the plural nouns. Who wants to remind me of the theme that we talked about the last time, the cultural exchange? What do we mean by cultural exchange or cultural experiences? Who still remembers what we talked about in this theme? We said cultures. When I say culture, a culture of a certain country, what do I mean? So, guys, what do I mean when I say
Like
culture?
the famous thing they do in the country that
Like what?
everybody knows.
Okay, like what, ya Harasha? Give me an
Like
example.
the duck in
Dancing.
Lebanon.
You mean like dancing?
Yes.
Yes, you mean that every country has its own kind of dancing. That's right.
Like of kind of living.
Yes, they have their
Miss,
own way of living. From these ways of living, we can have example of dancing. That's right. Thank you, Rasha. Other than dancing, who can tell me another example or give me another example about
Like
culture?
some people, some countries
yes,
don't eat with
One by
the
one.
spoons.
Yes, okay, some don't eat with the spoons, they eat with the sticks. This is a kind of culture, that's right. And one of you said that the kinds of food, that's right, dishes, different dishes. They talk about different cultures.
And
What
the
else?
houses,
Yes, what else? Guys,
they have the
Miss,
pictures.
yes, Hala. Yes, Hala, you want to say
The
something? Hala?
Miss, I know what cultural exchange means.
Hala, yes, you
myth,
you
like
can
in
speak.
Africa and like this, it don't like rain.
What? Repeat it.
It is like in some countries doesn't rain.
It doesn't
It
rain.
does
But this is
rain.
not
No,
something
it rains everywhere.
no, this is something not related to culture. This is something related to nature. Okay? Hala, you
Okay.
wanted today is to say something. Let's
Miss,
listen
they're
to
dress ups.
let's
Okay.
listen to Hala.
They dress.
Guys,
They dress
they dress. Yes, Hala.
differently.
Differently. That's right. Different dresses, the way of dressing. That's right. Okay. Bravo, guys. Excellent. So you see, when we say
Different dishes.
we said different dishes. That's right.
The house,
Rena, you want to say something? Okay. Please do not
I was going to say dress, but Hannah said it.
Okay, no problem. It's the same idea. Bravo, guys. Bravo, girls. So when we say cultures, we mean different way of living, like different ways of living, like dressing, dancing, language, food, way of eating, okay, way of contacting with each other, communication. All of these characterize a certain culture, okay. So now let's revise again the vocabulary words. Let's start with Hala. Hala, appreciation. Appreciation. Guys, can you hear me clearly? Guys, guys.
Yes,
Or
I can hear you.
okay, now you can hear me now. Is my voice lagging? Is my voice lagging? Okay, guys. Sorry. Maybe it's due to the weather. I don't know what's the problem today. Yalla, let's continue. Hala, are you with me? Read the word with the definition, please.
Sharing screen yet.
Yalla, Hala.
Message not okay. Example. Graham showed her appreciation for my help by giving a hug.
So when we say, guys, appreciation, as we said before, it means that when someone does something good for you, you have to show appreciation. You have to be thankful. You have to show love and kindness. Okay? Who can put appreciation in a sentence of his or her own? Let's put appreciation
Me.
in a sentence. Yes, Hala. Do you have a sentence?
Yeah.
What is it?
I, my brother showed appreciation
Mhm.
for my help by fixing his game.
Okay. Okay. Bravo. Bravo. Good sentence.
Miss, can I use
My brother showed
appreciated?
Mahdi, just a second. My brother showed appreciation after I fixed the game for him. Okay, Mahdi. Now you're changing the part of speech of the word. Okay, here appreciation is a noun. If you want to say appreciated, it will become as a verb. Okay, but it will have the same meaning. But when we use a word in a certain part of a speech, it's better if we keep it in the same part of a speech. If it's a noun, keep it a noun. If it's a verb, keep it a verb. Okay? Just but give me your example, Mahdi. What is your example?
Do I say it with appreciated?
Yes, no problem.
I appreciated all the gifts when I received them on my birthday.
Okay. I appreciated all the gifts that I received on my birthday. Okay, excellent. Thank you, Mahdi. Majid, Majid,
Yeah.
second
Yeah.
word, please. Yalla, let's remember the second word.
Blurted.
Mm-hmm.
Said definition said it suddenly.
Suddenly, you say something suddenly. Suddenly, it comes to your mind and you said it. You say it, sorry. Example.
By mistake, I blurted out the secret about the surprise.
Okay, type. Now let's use blurted in a sentence. Who has a sentence using the
Miss
blurted?
me, I have.
Yes, Majid.
I have.
Yes, Majid.
Yes, my sister blurted out the. My sister blurted out the
My sister blurted out the secret. Okay, I cannot hear you.
my
And
sister.
yes, my
My
sister.
sister. My sister.
Can you write it in the chat, yeah, Majid? I don't know if the problem is in my connection or is in your connection. But please
Miss, do you
try.
want to tell
Yalla, let's listen to Majid's sentence.
his
Please write,
sister?
write. Yes, okay, yes, yes,
Maybe
yes. What's the sentence? Please write the sentences in the chat. It's better. Write the sentences in the chat. Yalla, I'm
Miss,
waiting
I
for.
noticed that.
Yes, put it in the chat. Hurry up, please, guys. Put the sentences
Yeah.
in the chat. Let's all of us see them.
Miss, I'm not hearing you. Miss,
My
I
sister
did.
blurted
Put it
out
in
the
a
secret
sentence.
that I told her. Okay, okay, why not? Okay, I blurted out the answer during the quiz, which is something that I should not do. I blurted out the answers of the questions. You mean, Yamala? I blurted the answers. I blurted out the answers of the question or of the quiz. Bravo. Good, good, good. Excellent, guys. Excellent. Yalla. Rena, the third word, please.
Yes.
Please, the third word.
Complimenting.
Complimenting.
Um,
Definition?
compliment me when I do well makes uh, saying something nice about someone.
Yes.
Me when I do well makes
We do not say me when I do well. When I do well, or yes, when I do well on the exams, you mean? When you do well on the exams? Rena, can you
it
write?
makes me feel great.
It makes you feel great. Okay.
And
Okay. Complimenting with I.
yes,
Yeah, Hussein. Hussein complimenting with I. L-I. Menting. Okay, complimenting when I got full mark in the quiz, I feel so. Complimenting me when I get full mark on the quiz makes me feel happy. Makes me feel happy. I am going to write it for you, Yahsam. Complimenting me when I do well on the exam or in the quiz, when I do well in the quiz makes me feel so happy. So you see, she said the beautiful words complimenting my outfit.
yeah.
Yes, ya Malak, excellent. She said the beautiful words complimenting my outfit. Okay, bravo, guys. I'm very proud of you. Good, good, good. Excellent, excellent. So let's move to the fourth word now. Okay, who wants to read it? Karim. Thank you,
Me.
Arena. Thank you, Arena. Karim.
Good morning.
Good morning, Karim. Yalla, let's read the fourth word.
Congratulate.
Congratulate. Congratulate. Do not stress. Do not say ch. Congratulate.
Give a praise or good wishes for something that that has happened.
Uh-huh. When something good happens with
After
others, you have to
Nikki,
congratulate them. You should not be selfish. Pay attention. You have to feel
yes,
happy for others.
when someone wins the match, you have to congratulate.
Congratulate them or him or her. That's right. Okay. Let's put it in a different sentence. Yalla, other than winning a game. Who wants to put it in a sentence? Who wants to put it
I congratulate my friend in my class for the biggest mark.
for for why? Let's change it from mark. I congratulated my class for winning. Guys, I congratulated my class for winning the trophy in the talent show, or for winning the talent show. I congratulated, or I congratulated my class for winning the talent show. Okay. I got a high grade in my quiz, so I congratulated myself with a chocolate bar. Excellent, Malak. I congratulate my sister that she won. I congratulated, Hassan, I congratulated my sister when she won in the spelling bee competition. Competition. I'm going to write competition for you. This is how we write competition. So I congratulated my sister when she won the spelling bee competition. Okay, good, good. Yalla, let's move on.
Miss?
Yes, miss. Yes. Who wants to speak, Rasha or Hala?
Yes, I am not listening you.
What?
Do a sentence on
Yalla,
the word.
give me a sentence.
After my sister congratulated the college, we made a
No,
celebration
that's
party.
that's one. It's not congratulated. That's one graduated. It's different
Oh
from
yeah.
congratulated. So I congratulated my sister when she graduated from the college.
Okay.
Okay? Bravo. Now it's good. When we play PUBG, I lose and the winner come to me and tell me. No, it's not when you lose, Yahsan. When you win, others congratulate you. You can say, my friends congratulate me when I win the match in PUBG, for example. My Rena, my guest, congratulated me for my new home. Bravo, Rena. Excellent. Brahim, I congratulate my friends when they get a full mark. Bravo. Okay. I congratulate my friends when they get a full mark. Or I congratulated my friend when he got a full mark. Okay, guys. Okay. So, yalla, let's move on. Ali Mrowe. Ali Mrowe. Are you with me? Are you still with me, Amas? Ali Mrowe? Yes, Ali.
Yes.
Can you read the word with the definition and the example?
Contradicted. Definition. Disagreed with. Example. The witness contradicted said what he had said earlier and the lawyer pointed it out.
Okay. So when you contradict something, you disagree with it or you say the opposite of it. Can we put it in a sentence? Yalla, let's try. Ali Mrowe. Put it in a sentence, in a different sentence now, other than the example shown in front of you.
I contradicted what my brother said to me.
Bravo. I contradicted what my brother said to me or told me. Bravo. Bravo. Who wants to put it in a different sentence? Who wants to
Me.
put it? Yes.
I contradicted my cousin about the color of the couch.
Bravo. Okay. Or we contradicted over something. Yes. Yes, who said me? Malak, my dad.
My dad contradicted what my uncle said.
Bravo. Bravo, Malak. Bravo. Do you still have, guys, any examples on contradicted? Do you still have any examples?
Miss me.
No.
Yes, Kareem. Yes, Ibrahim. Bravo, Ibrahim. I contradicted my brother's idea, Ibrahim. Bravo. Yes, Kareem. Sorry.
I contradicted the question in the quiz.
I contradicted the question on the quiz. No, it's better if you say that you do not contradict the question.
I contradicted the answer of the question.
Okay, maybe I contradicted the teacher's answer on the quiz. Okay? Good,
Yes.
good, guys. Good, excellent, excellent. The senses are contradicted
I
by
wrote
one another and disapproved.
Miss, I wrote one on the chat.
Yes, I saw it. The senses are contradicted by one another and disapproved or disproved. You mean disproved by reason. Okay. Yes, good. Thank you. Let's move on. Sam Ftuni, where are you? Sam Ftuni? Sam? Sam Ftuni, please, miss, can you unmute yourself? Yes, Mahdi, I contradicted my cousin when he said or he asked me to play basketball. Okay, Malak, yalla. Since Hassan is not answering us, Malak. Critical.
Have an opinion that
Something is wrong. Read the example. Guys, can you hear me?
example.
Okay, guys, sorry, Malak. Yalla, Malak. Again, repeat the word. Malak.
Miss,
Yes. Yes, miss.
Yes.
Miss,
Yes,
I
miss.
don't hear you well.
Due to connection. I'm sorry, miss. I'm sorry. Yalla, let's try our best to finish the question for the vocabulary. Yalla, Malak.
Miss, your voice is
Malak, yalla, please read.
Um,
Sorry, critical, not
um,
critical, not cultural. Critical. Critical, have an opinion that something is wrong.
mm.
Can you read the example, please?
A critical person often finds fault with what others do and points it out.
Okay. Can you put critical in a sentence?
Okay. My teacher was critical about my aunt.
Okay, about my answers. That's right, you can use it. My teacher was critical about my answer. Okay. Does any one of you have an example, a different example using the critical? Right. Okay, guys, let's move on to cultural now.
Okay, I can hear you now. I can hear you now.
Okay, cultural. Uh, Mahdi? Mahdi? Mahdi?
Miss,
Yes, miss.
customs, beliefs, food, and celebrations are examples of cultural differences.
Okay. So anything related to culture, we call it cultural. Let's put cultural in a sentence. The center provides a wide range of cultural activities. That's right. Good. Excellent sentence, Yamajid. The center provides a wide range of cultural activities. Do you still have other?
Yes, I have.
Yes.
My favorite thing about my culture is the dishes they do.
Okay. You
They
cannot say my
make.
favorite thing about my cultural. Okay. If you want to use cultural and dishes, you can say that my favorite cultural dish is blah, blah, blah. For example, hummus. Okay? But if you want to use it in the same context that you used it, then you have to use culture. Tabbouleh is a cultural dish in Lebanon. That's right, ya Malak. So you see, hala, it's better if you use or if you say my favorite cultural dish is blah, blah, blah. It's weird to culture myself in front of different countries. It's weird. You mean, Rena? I told my brother that cultural is a
Yes.
different food. No, Brahim. Cultural is it doesn't mean different food. Okay, you can say that I told my brother that different dishes are example of cultural differences. That's this way you can use it. Still have misunderstanding. Misunderstanding is when you fail to understand one another, when there is a mistake in understanding each other, or you understand something in a wrong way. Okay, guys, let's put misunderstanding in a sentence before we move to the exercise in the worksheet. Can you put it in a sentence? Misunderstanding. The instructions are carefully written in order to avoid misunderstanding. Excellent, yeah, Majid. Malak, misunderstanding explanation makes us give wrong answers. Bravo, ya Malak. Bravo. Okay, other examples, guys. Yes, Rena. Yes, yalla, say it.
Math.
Yes, Hala. Hala.
The boy The boy didn't cheat. There was just a misunderstanding
Okay, the boy
in the
didn't
game.
cheat. It was just an understanding. Bravo. حسين مغنية misunderstanding when I wear my wrong. Okay. There was a misunderstanding when I wore my wrong t-shirt.
Miss Lilian,
Yes.
Miss Lilian,
Yes, yes.
Miss,
we will not work on the worksheet.
بلا miss. يلا, we're going to work now. We start with the vocabulary exercise.
Miss, can I do
Yes,
one?
Rena, I misunderstood my teacher, but you used misunderstood as a verb. You didn't use it as a noun. Yeah. Kareem, you want to start with the exercise, vocabulary exercise? Kareem, يلا miss, hurry up. You still have only 7 minutes.
Uh,
يلا Kareem, start please.
fill the blank with a quiz.
Miss, miss,
Okay, sorry guys. يلا Kareem, again. Please hurry up.
miss,
Yes, يا miss.
It's gone.
يلا Kareem. I received this gift in of my efforts at work. In what?
In,
When you do efforts, when you exert efforts
but what?
in work, which word best completes the context here? Miss, can you hear me, Miss? What's the answer?
Miss,
Write it.
can I?
Yes, ya Miss, يلا. Please, those who can hear me, you can answer. In appreciation.
Miss, it's appreciation.
That's right, in appreciation. Thank you, guys. Number 2. Yalla, number 2. If you want to answer, you can unmute yourself, guys. Ali Tkhini, Ali Mroui, others, Selena, Rena, Brahim, Zahra. Okay, if you want to answer, you can unmute yourselves and answer. Anyone. Some people are at what we wear, even though it's out of their business. It's not their business, but
Critical.
critical. That's right. They are
Critical.
critical. Since we said, guys, pay attention here. Since we said it's out of their business, so this means that it's not a good thing to make comments on what others wear. Okay. Number 3, the two friends were unhappy because of that happened yesterday. Who wants to answer?
Miss, I'm not hearing you.
The sentence is in front of you. Number 3. Hala?
Miss, can I answer?
Yes.
Misunderstanding.
Okay, it's misunderstood. Directly, guys, if you have the answer, answer it. Misunderstanding. If you know, sorry. Directly, guys, if you know the answer, then say it. Okay? Number 4. You can unmute yourself, ya Hala, and answer. Okay? Do not wait
Yeah.
me to give you the permission. 4. We attended several events over the weekend.
Cultural.
Cultural.
True.
Cultural. Okay, cultural. Cultural events. Thank you, guys. The boy is hair on hair, fine
Complimenting.
singing. Compliment.
Complimenting.
Romantic.
Complimenting. Okay, guys.
Blurted.
Let's read the sentence first. He out the answer before we have time to think. He blurted
Blurted.
out
Blurted.
like what you're doing now. Like what you're doing now. You blurred the answers. 7. Dad will hair.
Congratulate.
Congratulate her.
Bravo, guys. Congratulate. Congratulate. And the last one, she said she felt fine, but the look on her face
Contradicted.
Contradicted.
what she said. Contradicted. Okay, guys. Excellent. Good, 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 good. So before the time ends, this is what we have to do or to work on for today. We have finished from the vocabulary now. So from now on, you don't have any problems in vocabulary. You know how you work, how you exercise or revise the vocabulary words. It's very important whenever you take new words to put them in sentences so you can memorize them or keep them in your mind. So guys, I want from you for tomorrow to read the story A Reluctant Traveler, please. No, Rasha, we do not have any flip grid for this week. We do not have any flip grid. Okay, guys. So I want from you.
Miss, I read the story.
Yes, you have to read it again because we're going to work on it in details tomorrow.
Okay.
Hala, a misunderstanding happened with my teacher's internet, so the Zoom was cancelled. Okay, why not? Yes. Yes, that's right. Okay, guys. So
Yeah, that happened before.
yeah, please be well prepared for tomorrow, okay? Because we're going to continue with the story A Reluctant to Travel. Do you still have any questions before the time ends?
No.
Miss,
Yes, miss?
Miss, what did you correct the quizzes on the application?
Miss, yes, the grades are on the application. Does any one of you wants to say something else before we leave?
No.
Let's say the vocabulary, all of them correct.
What?
The vocabulary and the worksheet was, all of them are correct.
Bravo, excellent, excellent, excellent. Good.
Miss, I finished the worksheet last week.
No problem, no problem, no problem.
Miss, can I leave?
Yes, yes, yes. You can leave, guys. Okay, Jal. So, see you tomorrow.